In this lesson, we are going to learn the phonetic sound of the letter A. A is written like this: a slanting line to the left, another slanting line to the right, and a sleeping line in the center, holding both the lines. Let's see that one more time. That's A. And the small letter A is written like this. Let's learn the phonetic sound of A. A makes the sound A, 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 as in apple, A, apple. I love to eat apples. A, as in ant. The ant bit me. A, as in Ant-Man. Ant-Man is my favorite superhero. A, as in alligator. The alligator is resting on the rock. A, as in axe. The woodcutter used his axe to cut the wood. A, as in astronaut. You have to be an astronaut to travel to the moon. Let's just look at all the words one more time. Ready? A, apple. A, ant. A, Ant-Man. A, alligator. A, axe. A, astronaut. Awesome.